Is it a problem for you if you have not hired an attorney before your first court date when you've been charged with a DUI in Georgia? It is not the end of the world, and in many cases it can be prudent to give yourself that breathing room to have time to figure out which attorney you want to hire. Often in many courts, you may be arrested on a Thursday or Friday night and be expected to be back in court on Monday or Tuesday of the following week. That leaves you merely a few days to make one of the most important decisions you're going to make on your case, which is which attorney are you going to bring in to help you defend against this charge. Any insider will tell you that you should not make this decision based upon who is available over the weekend to discuss your case. Give yourself breathing room to make a very considered and intentional decision about this. When you show up to court, if you're in one of those jurisdictions where they expect you to be in court a mere days later after being arrested, they will not at all be surprised when you say that you need time to hire an attorney. This is quite normal, and in fact, if you try to proceed without an attorney at this first court appearance, you will probably be dissuaded by both the judge and the prosecutor, who will strongly suggest that you seek legal representation before moving forward on the case. And if you cannot, or you think that you cannot hire or afford a private attorney, or you've been talking to attorneys and they seem really expensive, you should go ahead and inquire about the availability of a public defender. In many courts, the public defenders are some of the best lawyers around. They are very experienced, they know what they're doing, and they can give you great advice. So never be shy or reluctant to apply for a public defender, particularly if you cannot afford a private attorney on your own.